Bonjour, bienvenue sur ma chaîne all about life and French Kaur. Today we will learn sounds in French. Before starting, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. On commence maintenant. Today we will learn a sounds. Let's see some examples. Neige, fraise, reine, baleine, soleil. It will also be pronounced as a in French. Its examples are maison, fraise, saison, liaison, chaise. Next is E, which is in between two alphabets. This will also be pronounced as a. As in these examples, hiver, mettre, terre, chercher, chaussette. Today's key sentence is s'il te plaît, which means please in informal language. S'il te plaît. Merci. Au revoir.